to go down. Easy now, no need to go down.
Computer System Servicing NC2 Lesson 1 Computer System Servicing Competency-Based Learning Material. These are the list of competencies. Learning Outcome Number 1 Introduction. What is CSS? What are the differences of CHS NC2 and CSS NC2? Assemble computer system. OHS policies and procedures, tools, equipment, and testing devices, computer hardware, operating system, installation procedures, peripherals and devices, application and program software, and stress test. Assessment method: hands-on, direct observation, practical demonstration, oral questioning, and written test. What is CSS NC2? Computer System Servicing is the upgraded version of what is then called Computer Hardware Servicing qualification. During the late CHS, the qualification was said to be of the NC2 level, meaning that in a ranking basis, it is the baseline level. Some competencies have the NC2, NC3, and NC4 levels. CHS was given an NC2 level because, well, for a fact, it was not that difficult to pass, but still, many students and or even professionals fail. When TESDA decided to upgrade the CHS competency, they forgot or maybe they have just decided not to adjust its ranking level. Most IT professionals would certainly agree that the CSS competency deserves to be of the NC4 level. What are the differences between CHS NC2 and CSS NC2? The old CHS competency covered just 2 modules and you are only expected to perform a couple of tasks to pass the actual examination. The examination includes a question and answer portion before proceeding with the actual hands-on configuration, and the same goes for the CSS NC2 exam. To cope up with the hastened trends of technology advancement, CSS was introduced, and instead of having just 2 modules, this new competency has 4. This seems to be a great move to ensure that we are not left behind on what is the new global standard in technology. The 4-unit competency are: install and configure computer systems, 2. Set up computer networks, 3. Set up computer servers, and 4. Maintain and repair computer systems and networks. Occupational safety and health policy and procedures. A planned system of working to prevent illness and injury where you work by recognizing and identifying hazards and risks. Health and safety procedure is the responsibility of all persons in the computer and technology industries. You must identify the hazards where you are working and decide how dangerous they are. Eliminate the hazard or modify the risk that it presents. One, do not work alone so that there's someone who can take care of you in case of emergency. 2. Always power off the computer and unplug the computer before working on it. 3. Take away any liquid near your working area to avoid getting electrocuted or accidentally damaging computer parts. 4. Be careful with tools that may cause short circuit. 5. Always ground or discharge yourself before touching any part of the computer. 6. Do not use excessive force if things don't quite slip into place. 7. Clean the area before and after using it to maintain sanitation and prevent accidents. 8. Hold the components on the edges and do not touch the integrated circuit parts. 9. Always wear personal protective equipment or PPE in accordance with the organization's OHS procedures and practices. 10. Make sure that the pins are properly aligned when connecting a cable connector. 11. Contingency measures during workplace accidents, fire, and other emergencies are recognized. 12. Use brush, compressed air, or blower in cleaning the computer system. 'Computer System Servicing NC2, Lesson 1.
Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down.